What if I told you your passport's power could determine your access to 199 countries? In 2025, the global passport hierarchy has shifted dramatically, reshaping international travel as we know it. At the bottom of our rankings, we find Afghanistan, with access to just 27 countries visa-free. Iraq follows with 29 countries, while Syria grants entry to 31 nations without prior approval. Moving up the ladder, emerging economies show significant improvement. India now offers visa-free access to 62 countries, while China's passport holders can visit 85 nations seamlessly. In the middle tier, Brazil's passport opens doors to 175 countries, marking South America's strongest performer. The United Arab Emirates continues its remarkable rise, securing access to 180 destinations. Approaching the summit, we find strong contenders like Canada and Australia, each providing entry to 188 countries. The United States and United Kingdom maintain their prestigious positions with access to 190 nations. But claiming the crown in 2025, Japan and Singapore share the top spot, offering their citizens visa-free access to an impressive 195 countries. South Korea follows closely, with its passport unlocking 193 destinations worldwide. These rankings reflect not just travel freedom, but also diplomatic relations and global influence, making some passports true keys to worldwide mobility.